now I'm gonna pop the zip at the bottom edge here. I'm gonna pin it so the zip, let's see here, so the zip head here is facing down, and it's the thinnest part of the zip, so it comes out like that once you pinned it on. So I'm going to pin all the way along here. Okay, so it's gonna machine sew all the way along there with using your zipper fit. So that's how it looks pinned on. Okay, so using your zipper fit, take off your normal fit and pop on your zipper fit. Okay. So as you can see, that's sewn all the way along and folds out like so. So now we've got the zip along the bottom of that one, I'm going to just lay the second one on top of the zip and pin across here so it's matching on each side. It's just my pernickety-ness, I think. So that's both sides of the zip sewn together, and you've got your zip along there. Now we're going to fold it back in half, and we're just going to unzip this side a little bit, and you can see the two little plastic bits. We're going to sew the edges together so that the plastic bits are together. not going to sew that bit together there. Same there, just straight up to the top of the fabric, avoiding the zip. I don't know if I made that clear actually. So your zip's here, you're pulling it slightly back to pin there. I think you can see that. And the same there, pulling your zip back to pin up to there. Okay, so we'll now go back to the machine. Normal fit for this. So now it's sewn up. Now we've got a gap where we left our zip open, and unzip it all the way. Oh, actually, sorry, I'm being premature here. Before you turn it out, what you want to do is snip off the edges. So obviously avoiding the stitching, so just before the stitching there. A snip. This just gives you a crisper corner when you fold it out. So turn it outside, inside, the right side in. So the right side in. Like so. I can put an insert in here, just like any kind of cushion insert, but I actually have a pillow that has burst, so I'm going to use its innards. So I'm going to take half of it out. I've taken half of the pillow stuffing out. I want this to be quite a plump pillow, so I'm going to flip it up and just fold that over. I'm going to stuff it in here. Going to zip it up and then I'm going to reshape it. So zip, turn that side in, go, tote bag cushion.